Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the paper size to A3 size in Microsoft Word. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to click on the Word file from here, then you will simply have to make a blank file. After that, when you are in the blank file like this, you will get this window, and then you have to click on the layout from the ribbon. After that you have to click on this arrow, and then here you have to make sure that you are in the paper tab from here. Here you have to choose the paper size to A3 paper size, and make sure that the wide is in the inches, like wide is 11.69 inches and the height is 16.54 inches. Also, if you want to transfer it another files like A4 size, A5 size, B4, B5, and other sizes are also available. But if you want to make it the customize size, the customize option is also here, the customize size, and after that you can simply manually type out the width and height according to your preferences. After that you have to check the printing options. Here you will get the printed options, and you can also change it to you according to your preferences. So it is that much easy as that, but for me I am not going to change anything from here. And make sure that the apply to is in the whole document. There are two options, that is whole document, and another one is this point forward. You have to choose the whole document from here, then you have to click on the set as default, and after that you have to click on the yes. And here you can see the page size is already changed. I think it changed it another size, but if I change in the A3 size, I think it will change in the A3 size. Here you can see the A3 size is already here. So that's how you can easily change the paper size to the A3 paper size in Microsoft Word document. Thank you very much for watching this video.